So the next question. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and a triangle EFG respectively. So ABC is given as a triangle, CD is the angle bisector, D is on AB. Same way EFG is a triangle, GH is the angle bisector and H lies on EF. What we have to show is also it is given that ABC is similar to the triangle FEG. We have to show that CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Again, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE and triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So we will start with the first one. We will take the similarity first. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. If they are similar, what we can write as angle A is equal to angle F, isn't it? Angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle G. Also, AB by FE sides will be proportional. So, BC by EG will be equal to AC by FG. This is a condition what we have. To prove the first one, we have to prove CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. For that, what we will do is check whether CDGH, if I am taking the ratio, there are 4 vertices. We cannot form a triangle by using 4 vertices. So go with the numerator CDAC. So here there are only 3 vertices A, D and C. Check whether you are getting a triangle with the vertices A, C and D. Yes, you can see a triangle ADC. So that same way, if I am taking G, H and F, we can see a triangle GHF. Okay, so we are going to consider, for proving the first part, we are considering triangle ACD and triangle FGH. Okay, ACD and triangle FGH. It is given that angle C equal to angle G. Why? Because it is given the triangles are similar. Angle C equal to angle G. So CD is the angle bisector. So angle 1 will be equal to, if I am numbering this as angle 2, angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Why? Because CD and GH are the angle bisectors. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And again, this angle will be equal to this one. That already is given in the question. Angle A is equal to angle F. Therefore, by AA similarity criterion, what we can say, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. Okay, since these two triangles are similar, we can write the ratio of the sides as AC by FG is equal to CD by GH is equal to AD divided by FH. What we require is CD divided by GH is equal to AC by FG. That means these two. Okay, just rewrite it again. AC divided by FG is equal to CD divided by GH. So this completes the first part. For proving the second part, we have to consider the triangle DCB. DCB means this triangle. And HGE. HG means this triangle. Can you say how? If I am numbering this as angle 3 and this as angle 4, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why? It is angle bisector, isn't it? So in the second part, we have to consider triangle DCB and triangle HGE. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because of the angle bisector. Again, for the shaded triangles, which will be equal, angle B equal to angle E. Why? It is given in the question. Okay, angle B is equal to angle E. Therefore, what we can say by AA similarity criterion, what we can say is triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. And for the third one, we have to consider triangle DCA and triangle HGF. DCA means, if I am shading like this is triangle DCA. And the HGF means HGF. There also it is clear. What will be equal? Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because angle bisectors. Angle C is equal to angle G. It is given. So 4 and 2 are half of angles. So they will be equal. Again, what we can say, we are considering triangle DCA and triangle HGF. So A will be equal to angle F. That is also the given condition. Angle A is equal to angle F. So since two angles are equal by a similarity criterion, what we can say is triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. Okay.